I am Dr. P.M. Savarkar, working for Alltech as a regional manager here, looking after the business of this Alltech Biotechnology India Private Limited. Basically, this is a biotechnology company, Kentucky-based company, USA. We have business in 115 countries, and we are seventh largest company in the animal health business. Okay, and so far as biotechnology company is concerned in animal health, we are number one. And every year we are registering the growth of 30%. We all the products of ours are natural product actually. They are environmental friendly, eco-friendly and user friendly. So core competency of our product is yeast-based product we have, and now we are also in the organic mineral business, and slowly we are also moving toward human pharma. Recently we have sponsored World Equestrian Game. That's one of the very big event took place in Kentucky last month only. And we are looking forward a very good response. This year response is very good. Almost I can say double the what we have received last year. And this is helping us business wise also. It helps in two ways. One, it reduces the cost of production. It improves the productivity, and it also improves the immunity because the mortality, disease threat is a very big problem right now in the poultry. So immunocompetency, you can say. Our products improves the immunity, it improves the performance, it improves the return on investment. So this is the way we are helping them. All products are natural products. They don't have any chemical base for that. Cost range, see, if you think from return on investment, they give almost 1:10, 1:15 like that. In terms of rupees, it varies from product to product. So it's not fixed. It all depends on so many factors. Last 4 years we are participating. It's a wonderful response. It is nicely arranged, I can say. So it becomes a national event, I can say, in this way. This is helping us to improve the sales. I mean, it gives a very wide exposure to a customer. It is possible that it might be possible, I am not very sure, that we may not be able to reach each and everyone in the poultry industry. But since they are coming here, seeing our stall, seeing our product, so yes, it is helping us to come reach to them, say a grassroots level of customer also. www.alltech.com is there, our website. People can go there, log in on that, and then can get information for our company from there. Message for online viewers and poultry farmer is focus on the immunity of the bird, focus on performance, focus on return on investment, focus on natural products which help. Don't go on the face value of the product. Think from the return on investment and go for the product which are environmentally friendly, consumer friendly and the animal friendly.